The real secret of success in business, the incredible power of yoga and meditation. Just imagine. It's 2 a.m., the sky is quiet, the city lights look exhausted, and inside a tall office building, only one room still has its light on. The person sitting inside that room carries the future of an entire company on his shoulders. Files are open, the coffee has gone cold, and his face shows a fatigue that looks like sleep abandoned him days ago. The world outside is asleep, but inside his mind, a storm is raging, market decline, missed team deadlines, new client demands, and the expectations of shareholders. He holds his head, wondering, can I handle all this? Am I falling apart? And then, as if a switch inside him turns on, he closes his eyes, takes a deep breath, and suddenly, a little peace settles inside the storm. That exact moment proves one truth. Calming the mind is perhaps the greatest power in modern business. And this is where the story of yoga and meditation begins. Today's world is fast. Business life is even faster. Competition grows every second, opportunities change every moment, and responsibilities grow heavier every day. Leaders, entrepreneurs, and professionals get so consumed by the rush from morning to night that they barely get time to care for themselves. The body becomes tired, but the mind refuses to stop. The eyes are open, but the vision becomes blurry. In such an environment, yoga and meditation are no longer just physical exercises. They have become a survival mechanism, a way that gives you a balanced mind, a strong body, and stable emotions, so you can win the battles that rise up every single day. In the world of business, the first thing that breaks is focus. The constant rush of the day, notifications, meetings, calls, and deadlines doesn't break a person from the outside, but from the inside. But when you meditate even for a few minutes each day, the mind resets. The thousands of thoughts running inside begin to slow down, and clarity starts returning. This clarity is like oxygen for every leader. Global leaders like Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadella openly accept that meditation gives them balance, keeps their thinking calm, and makes their business decisions sharper. Because only when the mind is calm can you see the right direction. Without inner peace, vision becomes nothing but noise. In today's corporate world, stress is like a silent companion walking beside every person. It never screams, but slowly empties a human from within. The heaviness in the body, the anxiety in the mind, the burden on the heart, these have all become normal parts of modern life. But yoga and meditation don't just reduce stress, they give you control over it. Techniques like pranayama calm the nervous system, reduce physical pressure, and provide a comfort to the mind that works faster than any medicine. It's like slowly switching off the noise of a loud room until all you can hear is the sound of your own breath. In that silence, a person reconnects with themselves, and that very connection begins to dissolve stress. For business leaders, the biggest enemy is lack of sleep. Whole-day meetings, late-night work, long screen hours, and constant pressure break the natural rhythm of sleep. Waking up in the middle of the night, the mind constantly replaying tomorrow's tasks. This is where burnout begins. But meditation slows down your brain waves, sends a relaxation signal to the body, and makes sleep deep, peaceful, and natural. When a person sleeps well, the next day's energy doubles, creativity flows effortlessly, and decisions become sharper and quicker. This is the fuel every entrepreneur needs, but which modern lifestyle steals away. Now let's talk about emotions. Business is not just a world of numbers. It is a world of emotions too. A tense meeting, an angry client, a difficult employee. All of these can break your mood and influence your decisions. Meditation gives you emotional control. It teaches you not to react, but to respond. Your empathy increases, patience grows, and you become a better communicator. When you remain calm, your entire team remains calm. And when the leader is stable, the company becomes stable. This is the most underrated leadership skill, and yoga builds it naturally. Yoga and meditation unlock creativity. When the mind becomes calm, its hidden abilities start coming to the surface. Many entrepreneurs say that their best ideas come either in the shower or right after meditation, because that's when the mind is completely free from distractions. Creativity is like a river. It flows beautifully when the path is clear, but stops when the way is blocked. Yoga and meditation remove those blockages, allowing imagination to expand, vision to become clear, and new solutions to emerge. In today's fast-changing world, creativity is the one skill that keeps you ahead of everyone else. A leader's success doesn't depend only on individual performance. It depends on the team that works with them. A strong team is built only when the leader understands relationships, feels people's emotions, and guides them with patience. Meditation increases empathy, makes communication smoother, and deepens trust. This creates a positive team environment and reduces conflicts. When a team has mental peace, its performance reaches the highest level. Leadership isn't just about strategies, it's about the heart and the mind, and yoga balances both beautifully. Yoga supports the body just as much as the mind. Long sitting hours, laptop screens, and bad posture slowly damage the body. Back pain, neck pain, stiffness, and fatigue have become the most common problems of modern professionals. Yoga strengthens muscles, increases flexibility, keeps joints active, and improves posture. Regular practice boosts immunity, improves digestion, and enhances overall stamina. A healthy body is the foundation of a successful business. Those who ignore it gradually drift away from success. If you want to start yoga or meditation, don't think of it as something difficult. You can begin with just 10 to 15 minutes of silent sitting. Slowly, you can add simple yogasanas like Tadasana, Bhujangasana, Shavasana, and Balasana. You don't need a big routine. Consistency creates the real magic. Progress doesn't come from a complicated plan, it comes from regular practice. You can do deep breathing at home, at the office, or even while sitting in your car. Today, the world's biggest companies are making yoga and meditation a part of their work culture. Google, Apple, Infosys all run meditation rooms and wellness sessions. They've understood that a stress-free employee doesn't just work, he innovates. A calm mind makes better decisions, communicates better, and contributes to a healthier company culture. Positivity rises in the workplace, employee retention improves, and performance naturally increases. This investment is more powerful than any training program. The deepest and most important truth is this: yoga and meditation offer leadership clarity. This clarity doesn't come from outside, it comes from within. When a person understands themselves, the noise of the world cannot shake them. No matter how big the challenges are, a calm mind knows how to solve them. This clarity is the real foundation of success. An MBA can teach you strategy, books can give you ideas, but only meditation can teach you how to steady your mind. Now think, if you give just a few minutes each day to yoga and meditation, if you give your mind the same importance you give to your business, if you give your body and soul the same respect you give to your targets and deadlines, would your life not change? Would your success not accelerate? Would your mind not become sharp and peaceful at the same time? We all fight outside for success, but the real victory belongs to those who win inside. Yoga and meditation are the modern tools that can make you unstoppable. They will sharpen your decisions, double your energy, vanish your stress, and bring a new balance into your life.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestion. And yes, if you like our content, Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every news story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.